In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, accurate quote, link it to the right customer, and get it ready to send out. First, from inside Zoho CRM, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Quotes tab. This is where all of your quotes live and where you'll create new ones. Go ahead and click on that tab to open the Quotes module. Once you're in the Quotes area, it's time to start a new quote. Look for the button labeled New, usually shown as a plus sign followed by the word New. Click that to open a blank quote. If you like using keyboard shortcuts and they're enabled in your account, you can also press the shortcut shown in your interface to get to the same place more quickly. Now that your blank quote is open, you'll want to link it to the right customer. You'll see fields for things like account, contact, and possibly deal or opportunity, depending on how your Zoho CRM is set up. Use the drop-downs or search options in those fields to find and select the correct account or contact. This step is important because it keeps all your quotes organized under the right customer record and makes reporting and follow-up much easier later on. Next, let's enter the basic quote details. You may see a field for quote number. In many setups, Zoho will auto-generate this, but you can also type in a custom number if your company uses a specific format. Then set the quote date, which is usually today's date, and the expiry date, which is when the quote will no longer be valid. Choose an expiry date that matches your company policy, like 30 days from now. You might also see a field for an internal reference number or code. Use this if your team has an internal tracking system or project ID. After that, scroll down to the Quoted Items section. This is where you add the actual products or services you're quoting. Use the search box to look up each product or service from your existing catalog. Once you've added an item, adjust the quantity, confirm the unit price, and let Zoho calculate the totals for you. Take a moment to double-check quantities, discounts, and taxes so the quote amount is correct before you send it out. Below that, you'll find an area for terms and conditions or notes. Here, you can include any payment terms, delivery details, or special conditions that apply to this quote. If your company has standard boilerplate terms, you can paste those in or select them from a template if available. You can also add any extra notes that will help the customer understand what's included. When everything looks good, it's time to save and send. Click the Save button to store the quote in Zoho CRM. After saving, look for the Options menu, often shown as 3 dots. From there, you can export the quote to a PDF, email it directly to your customer from within Zoho, or print a hard copy. Choose the option that works best for your workflow and your quote is ready to go.